Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Ayush Kumar Singh. I am a legal intern in Lexington Company. So today in this video we are going to discuss about analytical legal positivism. Legal positivism is most influential school of thoughts in jurisprudence. The positivism movement started at the beginning of the 19th century. The analytical school is positive in its approach. The jurists of this school considered that most important aspects of law is its relation to the state. Law is treated as a command from the state. For this reason, this school is also known as imperative school. Auguste Comte, 1798 to 1857, is regarded as the first true positivist. The main theme of the analytical legal positivism are law is created to human agents and law is a social fact. It is found as a rule declared by authorities. So now let's look upon the meaning of positivism. The term positivism has 5 meanings. First, law are commands. Second, the analysis of a legal concept. Third, decision can be viewed logically from predetermined rules. Fourth, moral judgments cannot be established or defended by rational arguments. And lastly, fifth, law as it is actual has to be kept separate from the law that through or to be. The fifth meaning is correctly associated with positivism. So now let's look upon features of theory. The purpose of analytical school of jurisprudence is to analyze the first principle of law. The main task of the analytical school is the lucid and systematic exploration of the legal ideas. One purpose of the analytical school is to gain the accurate and immediate understanding of the fundamental working concept of all legal reasoning. The analytical school takes law as the command of sovereign. So the school regards law as a common system of a pure facts from which all the norms and values are excluded. The analytical lawyer is not content with the ideas. He or she takes the law as a given matter created by the state. The importance of analytical jurisprudence lies in the fact that it brought out provisions in legal thinking. Now coming on Jeremy Bentham and analytical legal positivism. Basically, Bentham is considered as the founder of positivism. Austin owes much to Bentham, and on many points his perceptions are merely the paraphrasing of Bentham's theories. Bentham behind that every law may be considered in a light of different aspects that are source, subject, objects, extents, focus, and expression. Now, there were points where Bentham's theory was criticized. Basically, there are 2 points. The first one is Bentham's abstract and doctrine in rationalism, and Bentham's weakness to develop clarity on his own conceptions of balance between individual and community interests. So I hope you find the video informative. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.